how to make money on the internet. We are dealing with the topic for today is how to make $100 by tomorrow. If you're new on this channel, subscribe right now to this channel. You wouldn't like to miss any video because I'm very consistent with this channel because they close my I'm going to close my other channel, so this is my brand new channel. I'm going to be very active with this one. And guys, comment, subscribe, like my videos, share my videos to your friends. All right, so without saying those things, let's move on to the video. We are talking about how to make $100 by tomorrow. This is a very simple trick. It's something that's very easy to do, and I know you are going to enjoy watching this video. So what you do is very simple. You don't need money and you don't need skill to make this amount of money. You're going to use your mind. In Ghana, say for working DD, use your mind to it. So this is what I'm going to do. You are going to go on to freelancing websites. We have Upwork.com, and we have Fiverr.com, freelancer.com, 15Ghana.com, and other sites that offer freelancing. All right. So when you go onto a freelancing website, you have to go onto that trending tab, or you can go on and search for any gig that is very attractive. Look for the gig from a trustworthy person, someone with most reviews, like 5+ reviews, good comments, good feedbacks on their whole profile. So you get onto that thing, you choose a gig. For example, there will be a gig like, I'll create a ruler for you, or a gig like, I'll fail your battle for you, or a review like, I'll write content for you, or a review like, I'm going to, anything, like anything, any gig like dictionary, any gig like, hey, this, any gig, all right, anything that someone is offering to do, all right, it's anything someone is offering to do. So you just go ahead and you search for that thing. So when you get it, put it in your favorite, or put it in your favorite. Then you go ahead and then you contact people who want such a gig. All right. For example, you go on to Fiverr.com, all right, Fiverr.com, and then you browse through their categories. You see people who are interested in such gigs. All right. For example, you see someone saying, I want someone who can create a website for me. So you connect that person to the freelancer. You connect the buyer to the seller. Do you understand? So if the seller is selling the gig for $500, you can sell it to the buyer for $1,000, and that will fetch you $500 in profit. It's very simple. You don't need cash. You don't need skill. All you need is your brains to work. That's all. Do you get the idea? It's a very simple idea. How do you get the idea? Just go on this, and you put them together. That's all. Connect the buyer with the seller. You be the betweener. You take the money from the buyer, you send it to the seller, then you bring the website from the seller to the buyer. Do you get the idea? All right. If you get the idea, comment down there. If you have any question, comment down there. I'm very much interested in answering all your questions. So guys, this is it. It's a very simple thing, and I've been doing it. I've been doing it, and I've been seeing success. So if you just comment, that is it. So let's move on. If you are new, subscribe, like the video, share the video to your friends, and help them to also learn how to make money on the internet. Turn on the notification bell. All right, notification bell. Just turn and just turn it on, and then let's do it something amazing. All right, so thanks, God bless you, and bye.